Good morning children, welcome to online class. Now today we will start chapter 9, that is speed, time and distance. We are seeing here one car is here, it is moving Delhi to Calcutta. Okay. Now here we will see what is speed, time and distance. Suppose that car is moving, this car is having some speed. Okay, that is speed, let us consider that is 20 km per hour. Okay, 120 km per hour. Okay, so after few hours it will reach Calcutta. Maybe suppose that time will be after 10 hours. After 10 hours it will reach Calcutta. So it covers from Delhi to Calcutta, it covers some distance. Okay, that distance maybe it will be 1000 km. Understood? So today we will see distance, speed and time. Understood? Which is given in kilometer or meter. That will be distance. Distance will always you will get in kilometer or meter. And speed you will get always kilometer per hour or meter per second. Understood? And time always you will get either hour, minute and second. Okay, these are the units of these things. Understood? So today we will see some formula also. This chapter will based for, you will learn this formula, then you will solve the problems. Speed equal to distance by time. Okay. Number 2, distance equal to speed into time. And number 3 is time is equal to distance by speed. Understood? Each formula you have to learn properly. Speed equal to distance by time, distance equal to speed into time, and when we have to find out time, the time is equal to distance by speed. You have to learn it. Okay? This formula you have to learn it. It is very compulsory. Okay? Now, so what is speed, what is distance, what is time? It is clear? Now today we will see, that is 9.1 exercise 9.1, question number 1. Question number 1 is express train covers a distance of 1458 km between New Delhi and Howrah in 18 hours. Find the average speed of the train. One train will be there. Suppose that is train. Okay. It starts from Delhi and he will Delhi to Howrah. This distance is given. That distance is 1458 km. It is distance. Okay. This train will cover this distance. And time is given. Time is equal to 18 hours. So question is that find the average speed of the train. What is the average speed of the train? So we have to find out the speed. Distance, we are having distance and time. We know the formula of speed. It is the formula of speed. So speed equal to distance by time. What is the value of distance? 1458 km and time is 18 hours. Now we have to cancel it. Both are even numbers, so we will divide it by 2. 2 9 ja 18, 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 18. 9, having last digit is 9, it is also 9, it is divisible by 3. 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. Again 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3. So 81 kilometer per hour. Now distance is given in kilometer and time is in hour. So speed unit will be 81 kilometer per hour. Understood? So it is the answer. Clear? Now next we will see question number 2. In question number 2, a car starts from Delhi and reaches Agra in 4 hours. The distance between Delhi and Agra is 196 km. Find its average speed. So again we have to find out average speed. Now what is given? Distance is given. How much distance? Distance is 196 km and time is given. Time is equal to 4 hours. Now we have to find out speed. Again we will use the formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is 196 km. So you will put here 196 km by time is 4 hours. Now each is even number. So it is divisible by 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 9 ja 18. 2 8 ja 16. Again 2 1 ja 2. 2 4 ja 8. 2 9 ja 18. So 49 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of the train. Understood? So we have completed question number 1 and question number 2. Now we will see question number 3. Question number 3. Here 1 to 6 question is given. Only 2 I am solving. The rest of the question you will try to do. Find the speed in each of the following. Time is given here. Time is equal to 4 hours. Distance is equal to 448 kilometer. We have to find out the speed. So speed equal to, we know the formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. Okay. Distance is 448 and time is 4 hours. Both are even numbers, so you will cut it. 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So 12 kilometer per hour is the answer. Now in question number 2, it is also same. Next question is question number 2. Time is equal to 3.5 hours and distance is equal to 374 1 by 2 kilometer. First we will break this. Mixed fraction. 2 3 ja 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2 hours. And this one, when you will multiply 374 into 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14, 4 1 carry, 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. 748 plus 1, that is 749. 749 by 2 kilometer. Now we have to find out the speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. What is distance? Distance is 749 by 2 and time is 7 by 2. It is the main fraction. Okay. Now 749 by 2 into 2 by 7. When you will solve it, this numerator will be in denominator and denominator will be in numerator. Now 2 and 2 will be cancelled. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. When you will divide 749 by 7, 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, 7 0 0 0, 7 7 ja 49. You can Do here rough work. If you can't, divide orally. 7 1 is 7. 4, 0 times. Then 7 7 is 49. So 107 kilometer per hour. Unit is compulsory to write. Okay. So this is the answer. 107 kilometer per hour. Next question is question number 3. In question number 3, a bus starts from Delhi at 1000 hours and reaches Jammu at 2200 hours on the same day. Find the speed of the bus if the distance between Delhi and Jammu is 600 km. Delhi to Jammu. Is Delhi to Jammu. Okay. Time is given. It is the starting hours and it is the ending hours. Okay. And this distance is given. It is 600 km. So we have to find out the actual time, that is when we will subtract this ending time from the starting time. Okay. Then when you will subtract it, 0 to 12 hours. This time is given in 24-hour clock. So it will be 12 hours and 00 minute. So we will take only 12 hours. Okay. And distance is given, that distance is 600 kilometer. So we have to find out the speed of this train. So you know speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is given, that is 600 kilometer and time is 12 hours. Okay, 12 1 is 12, 12 5 is 60 and 0, 50 kilometer per hour is the speed of that train. Understood? That is the answer of question number 4. Sorry, it is question number 4. We have completed that question number 4. Now next question is question number 5. It is our last question. And rest of the question we have completed 1 and 2 in 3. You will do that 3 to 6. You will try to do it. It will be your homework. Understood? Now we will solve question number 5. In question number 5, Rahul and Ravi, 2 persons are there. Both use bicycle to go to school. Rahul covers 0.9 km in 1 by 20 hours, while Ravi covers 6 km in half hour. Who is cycling fast? 2 persons are there. Okay. Rahul. So distance covered by Rahul. How much it is? Distance covered by Rahul, that is 0.9 km. And time taken by Rahul is, that is 1 by 20 hour. Understood? And here it is for Rahul. Okay, it is for Rahul. Now here Ravi. Distance covered by Ravi, that is 6 km, and time taken by Ravi is 1 by 2 hour. So first we will find out the speed of both the person. We know that speed is equal to distance by time. So how much Rahul covers? 0.9 km. Okay. And the time is 1 by 20. So here 0.9 into 1, that 20 will go up. And when you will remove this decimal, we will put here 0. Okay. And this 0 will be cancelled. Then 9 to 18 km per hour. It is the speed of Rahul. Now we have to find out the speed of Ravi. Okay, so here also speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, now distance is given, that is 6 km, and time is half hour, that is 6, that 2 will go up, 6 to 12 km per hour. So whose speed is more? Rahul's speed is more. So what is the question? Who is cycling fast? So Rahul is cycling fast. Understood? So you will write here Rahul is cycling fast. Understood? Because it is more than Ravi. Clear? Now next class we will start 9.2, but you have to learn these things. I am writing that it is compulsory because we will change one unit to other. So you have to learn this one. I am writing here. I will give you in the notes also. You will learn it properly. Then you can solve very easily of this question. First you will learn the formula and this unit also. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Number 2, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. You have learned already in class 4 also, okay? 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. And yes, these 3 units you have to learn. And one more, 1 hour equal to, when you will convert this hour into second, first you will convert it into minute, then multiply it by 60, then again 60. So 60 into 60 is 3600 seconds. These you have to